I'm going to do a quick capacity test on the Air Travel Pack 4. This is the new version, 35-liter size in the Cordura fabric. The volume on this bag is separated between the main compartment and then these front pockets. So I'll fill these all separately, transfer them into a marked container, and tell you the capacity on all three compartments and combined total capacity. This is the Air Travel Pack 4, fully packed out with packing peanuts. Tried to get as many as I could in there without over expanding the bag and still staying within the listed specs. Starting out with the front top pocket, this container, it's about a little over between 3.5 liters. Now the front bottom pocket, this one's a little bigger, about 3.5 liters. That's the combined total on the two front pockets, about 6 to 7 liters. Also keep in mind there is a firm divider between these pockets and the main compartment, but if you overpack the inside, you're going to fit less in here and vice versa. Now I'm going to top this off with the peanut contents of the main container. That's the entire capacity of the bag. You can see about halfway between 30 and 40 there. So basically 35, exactly what it's listed at. So the new Air Travel Pack 4 Cordura fabric listed at 35-liter capacity, real capacity 35 liters. Basically right on spec, about 28 liters in the main compartment and 7 or so liters in these two front pockets. So I hope you like this quick capacity demonstration. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments below. And again, thanks for watching.